Imagine having access to over 160 trading assets, zero commission fees, and leverage up to 1/400, all in one platform. Sounds tempting, right? Today, we're diving deep into Savexa, a regulated CFD broker, to see if it delivers on its promises. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Savexa is right for you. Welcome to BrokerCheck, where we bring you unbiased broker reviews to help you make smarter trading decisions. Our BrokerCheck team has done all the hard work so you don't have to. Visit BrokerCheck website for expert recommendations. Now let's see if Savexa is the broker you've been looking for. First things first, what can you actually trade on Savexa? One of the platform's biggest strengths is its wide variety of trading instruments. With over 160 assets to choose from, here's what's available. Forex pairs with competitive pricing, commodities like gold and oil, global market indices, stock CFDs on top companies, cryptocurrencies in a regulated environment, and precious and industrial metals. With such a diverse selection, Savexa provides traders plenty of opportunities to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on market movements. Now let's talk about account types. Savexa offers different accounts to suit traders at various levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, there's an account for you. Let's break them down. Classic account. Entry level with $250 minimum deposit, standard spreads, and up to 1/400 leverage. Silver account. Better support and conditions while keeping things simple. Gold account. Reduced spreads from 1.8 pips and swap discounts to lower trading costs. Platinum account, tighter spreads at 1.4 pips and faster execution. And lastly, VIP account, for professionals with spreads as low as 0.9 pips and premium support. Choosing the right account depends on your trading needs. If you're just starting, Classic or Silver works well. Active traders should consider Gold, Platinum, or VIP to save on costs. Now let's talk about the trading platform. Unlike brokers using MetaTrader, Savexa offers its own proprietary browser-based web trader. Just log in and you're ready to trade. Here's what makes it stand out. Real-time data and advanced charting, over 30 technical indicators, fast execution with minimal latency, and multi-language support. While some advanced traders might miss MetaTrader's automation capabilities, if you prefer a clean and simple interface, Savexa's web trader does the job well. Funding your trading account shouldn't be a hassle, and Savexa makes it easy with multiple deposit and withdrawal options. Here's what's available. Credit debit cards, bank wire transfers, and alternative payment methods. Your first withdrawal is free if your account is verified and you've completed at least one trade. Otherwise, a $10 fee may apply. For subsequent withdrawals, card withdrawals have a 3.5% fee, while wire transfers cost a flat $30. The key takeaway? Complete your verification and start trading to take advantage of that first free withdrawal. Security is a major concern when choosing a broker, and Savexa has taken steps to ensure a safe trading environment. The platform is regulated by the Moali International Services Authority under license number BFX2024065. But what does that mean for you as a trader? Here are the key security features. Client fund segregation. Your money stays separate from company funds. Negative balance protection. You can't lose more than your deposit 24/7 multilingual support. Help whenever you need it. While Moali isn't the strictest regulator out there, these measures still offer a solid level of security to traders using the platform. So, is Savexa the right broker for you? If you're looking for a trading platform with a wide range of assets, zero commission fees, and an intuitive web trader, it's definitely worth considering. But as always, do your own research and choose a broker that fits your needs. If this review helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching.